Hello, lovely human beings. Look at us. We got our little coconuts.
Cheers.
This morning we woke up and we went to the beach. We took a nice ocean dip and then we got some coconuts. It's like the most perfect morning. I think every person should spend their morning like this.
This is the way. Amazing.
Oh, also, let me show you what I got.
I got some sunglasses at the beach.
I'm sure we got charged gringo price.
Yeah, we negotiated a little bit, but I still think I overpaid a lot.
We got the classic because we just had to. Can you even tell? The Brazilian flag is the most beautiful flag in the world, in case you were wondering. So I'm gonna turn this into a little skirt and then use it on the beach. Anyways, I just wanted to give you a little update and I'm gonna flip you around so you can see how beautiful the mountains are. Like, you're joking. Okay, we'll talk to you later.